Hi everybody, this is Scott Golden. I'm the owner of Simmons Floorcovering, and I wanted to share with you a tool that we have on our website that'll make your floor buying experience much easier. Several years ago, back when I was a young man and I was only dating the woman that would eventually become my smoking hot trophy wife, she used to joke that I would buy the mannequin. I didn't know how to pick out my own clothes, but if I saw the clothes on the mannequin I liked, I could decide that's what I wanted. And flooring is a little bit the same way. It's difficult to know exactly what you're buying until you get a chance to see it in the room. And if you've made a mistake, it's too late. So on our website, we have a room visualizer tool that allows you to take a picture of your existing room and then place one of our products in your room and get an idea of exactly what it's going to look like. And I want to show you exactly how to do that right now. So what you'll want to do is pull up our website on your smartphone, just simmonsfloors.com, and you want to hit the search bar and just put visualizer in your search bar, and you'll come up with the room visualizer. It looks like this, and there's a little button here that says explore the possibilities. So just click on that button, and then it's going to take you to an option for you to take a picture of the existing room or to look at some other rooms. And I'm going to go click right here, take photo of my room. I'm going to touch on that, and then I'm going to go to the photo library because I actually already took a picture of my room last week. So I'm going to go over here and pull up that. I'm going to press choose, and then it takes just a moment for the computer to do some of its magic, and then all of a sudden you'll see that your room pulls up with products at the bottom loaded for you to be able to see. So you can see here that this is a scroll of different products that you could picture in your room. So this is one of our wood floor products, and then I'm gonna scroll this way to see, here's what a floor with more of a brownish tone would look like in my living room. So, and then you can also change to categories. If you hit this button in the middle allows you to filter different categories. So if you want to change it to carpet or tile or vinyl plank, you can do that. But if you would take a few minutes, practice with the tool, it'll make your floor buying experience easier. And as always at Simmons Floorcovering, we're here to help make the process easy. So feel free to talk to one of our project managers. We'd be happy to bring some samples out to show you exactly what it's going to look like. Thanks again.